Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to find flights on Agoda. I wonder why you want to know how to find flights on Agoda. Maybe because you're looking for flights, because you're going on a vacation, or maybe for any other purpose. So you're looking for different flights and someone suggested you this app. Or maybe on the other apps you couldn't find any good flights, so you just want to give it a try on Agoda app. So don't worry, whatever the reason it could be for you to book a flight on this app, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Agoda app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Agoda app to open it. The app will just take a while to load its content, and after that you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Here you could see the icon of the app, and we have options almost all over the screen, like into the middle of the page, at the bottom, and at the top there are options for flight, hotels and other stuff. So now if you're especially looking for flights, then here we have this option, flights. Once you tap on it, first you will read the title of flight, and then it will show you two options, like one-way flight or a two-way flight, like a round flight. So you have to choose which option you want to go with according to whatever you have to go on. After that, you have to tell the app like from where you want to start your journey, from which city. Once you type the city, it will show you all the airports, then you can choose any one of these, and after that it will show you like where you want to land. So you have to enter the city and it will show you all the airports into that city, so you can choose any one of these. After that, you have to select from which date to which date you will continue your trip. So there is the initial state or the ending stage. So you have to choose the dates, and after that simply click on OK, and you can also choose like how many people will be there into it, how many adults will be there, and what class you are specifically looking for, economy, first class, business class and other. So you can choose all these options according to what you're looking for, and once you're done with it, simply click on search and it will just take a while, and after that it will show you all the results, and from all the results you can choose whatever option you think is the good one for you, from the dates available or maybe from the price, whatever you think is the most compatible one to you. You can just simply tap on it, you will further see some details, and if you want to book that you could also do that. So this was the easiest way I know through which you could book flights or could find flights on Agoda. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.